तुम्हें ना कुछ समझ नहीं आता। क्या कभी आपके बॉस ने आपको इस तरह से डांटा है? अगर डांटा है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके बॉस आपको बिना बात के ही डांट देते हैं और ऐसा बोल देते सिंपली आपको ये काम ही नहीं आता। अरे तुम्हारे जैसा डम मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं देखा है। अगर आपके बॉस ने ऐसे आपको बोला है तो आप क्या करोगे? क्या आप तुरंत बोलोगे एक्चुअली सर मैंने ये इसलिए किया था, एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसे लगा, एक्चुअली मेरी मिस्टेक ही नहीं थी एंड एक्सक्यूज ऐसा है? या तो फिर आप चुपचाप हो जाओगे और अंदर से एक आवाज आएगी, हाँ शायद मुझे ही नहीं आता है, शायद मुझ में ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। और यही से इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी आपके नर्वस सिस्टम की शुरू हो जाती है। Because sometimes the biggest problem is not what your boss said. The biggest problem is what your nervous system did with your what your boss said. आपके बॉस ने क्या कहा ना, उसको आपके नर्वस सिस्टम ने कैसे ग्रास्प किया, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपन्स इनसाइड द ब्रेन। अब देखिए, हाँ, जब कोई पावरफुल पर्सन यानी कि आपका बॉस, आपका अगर आपका पार्टनर बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनेटिंग है तो वो आपके पेरेंट्स, बहुत बार पापा होते हैं, समवन हु यू रिस्पेक्ट आपको रिपीटेडली बोलता है यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, तुम डम हो, तुम्हें कुछ आता ही नहीं है, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स, यू ऑलवेज मेक मिस्टेक्स, यू आर टू इमोशनल, यू कांट हैंडल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, तुमसे नहीं होगा। तो लॉजिकली आपको क्या करना चाहिए? एक क्वेश्चन आता है आपके दिमाग में, क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए, एविडेंस देखना चाहिए और कहना चाहिए इज दैट रियली ट्रू। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम यह है कि नर्वस सिस्टम ऑलवेज डज नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड लॉजिकली। हम पहले इमोशनली रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं। अगर आपके पास्ट में क्रिटिसिज्म, रिजेक्शन, कंपैरिजन, चीटिंग, ह्यूमिलिएशन, फियर, डर और रिपीटेड एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं इसी तरह के, तो आपका ब्रेन एंड आपका नर्वस सिस्टम कुछ पैटर्न्स को जो है लर्न करके फिक्स कर देता है। एंड देन जब कोई आपको कहता है कि तुम डम हो, तुम्हें कुछ आता ही नहीं है, आपका नर्वस सिस्टम may not hear only those three words. It may hear, see, I knew it, I'm not good enough. क्योंकि बचपन से सुना है ना, और वो एक पैटर्न बन गया है। और ये जो है ये एविडेंस ट्रैप है। और यहाँ से एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होती है, वंस यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स लुकिंग फॉर एविडेंसेस। बॉस ने 10 बार अप्रिशिएट किया होगा, आप वो सब भूल जाओगे। एक बार जो मिस्टेक पे पॉइंट आउट किया है वही आपको याद रहेगा। आपने 20 डिफिकल्ट ऐसे जो टास्क है जो किसी ने नहीं कंप्लीट किया, आपने वो कंप्लीट किए होंगे। आप उन्हें नॉर्मल मान लोगे, लेकिन एक प्रेजेंटेशन आपका खराब हो गया है तो आप पूरी रात घर जाके रास्ते में ट्रैवलिंग में बस उसको ही सोचोगे, मुझसे ना कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता। This is how a belief can become stronger, not necessarily because it is true, but because you keep collecting evidences for it. And slowly your behavior starts matching the belief. Unknowingly होता है, आप जानबूझ के नहीं करते हो। You stop asking questions, you stop giving your opinion, you stop speaking in the meetings, you double check everything 10 times, and you apologize even when you haven't done anything wrong. And eventually, people around you start seeing you exactly the way you have started seeing yourself. अब मैं आपको एक सिंपल ऑफिस का एग्जांपल देती हूँ। इमेजिन करें कि यू आर सिटिंग इन अ मीटिंग, योर बॉस सेज, why didn't you understand this simple thing? You know the answer. You actually have valid explanation. But suddenly, your body becomes tense. Your heart rate changes. एकदम rise हो जाता है. Mind goes blank and you start searching for the words. And instead of saying, let me explain what happened, you simply say, sorry, yes, maybe. Maybe I misunderstood. Why? Because your nervous system may have learned that speaking up is dangerous. मैं कुछ बोलूँगा, मैं कुछ explain करूँगी तो शायद मेरा job जाएगा. Making a mistakes means I'll be humiliated. मुझे mistakes करना allowed नहीं है. Authority is always right. Boss is always right. If I defend myself, I will create a problem. So you don't respond from your present day or your intelligence. You respond from your old survival patterns. And this is why I want you to understand something very, very important. Your nervous system is not sitting inside your body only to control the stress. It is constantly asking you one simple question, that is, am I safe? Can I speak? Can I disagree? Can I make a mistake? Can I take up space? Can I say no? And sometimes your body says no. Even when your adult mind says yes, आप हाँ बोलना चाहते हो, but you're not feeling safe, you simply say no. And then you take this home. And the most interesting part, you don't leave the pattern at the office. आप वो सभी चीजें कैरी करते हो while traveling to home. Your boss says you can't do anything properly and you don't challenge it. Then your partner says you always overreact करते हो आप. You immediately start explaining yourself कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं वैसा नहीं. Your partner gets angry and you immediately apologize. When even when you don't know what you did wrong, or maybe you have not done anything wrong, your partner makes a decision without considering you and you say it's okay again and again and again, until one day you don't even realize you have stopped expressing what you want. You are constantly adjusting, constantly understanding others, constantly explaining others, constantly protecting others' emotions, and somewhere you have made yourself smaller. Not because you're weak, not because you're not intelligent, you're dumb, but because your nervous system may have learned keeping other persons happy keeps me safe. Maybe that is the life, the connection maybe from the childhood. And sometimes the root of this pattern can go much deeper. Maybe as a child, you were constantly compared with someone else. Look at her, look at him. Why can't you be like her or him? Maybe you were criticized for making mistakes. Maybe your opinions weren't taken seriously anytime. Maybe you were told, don't talk back. Adults know better than you. Stop being so sensitive. Good children's good children don't argue. They don't give opinion to adults. Maybe you have learned that love came with conditions. आपने देखा होगा आपके माँ बाप को झगड़ते हुए. Maybe you learned that approval was something you had to earn. आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा. And your nervous system learned it. It learned what gets you approval, what gets you rejection, what creates conflict, what keeps you safe, and then you grow up. You become educated, you become successful, you become a manager, boss, head of the department, a professional, a doctor, a mother, a leader, a IT professional on a very big higher post, but the nervous system may still be running an old program. The question I want to ask you, so today I don't want to ask you what's wrong with me. I want you to ask a different question to yourself. What has my nervous system learned? Okay. When someone criticizes you, do you immediately believe them? अगर मैं बोलो आप गधे हो, क्या आप तुरंत उसको हाँ बोलोगे? आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट सेंटेंस, बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो दैट कि अगर आपको कोई गधा बोलता है तो आपको गुस्सा आता है, बुरा लगता है, तो वो गलत है। आपको पूंछ है, आपको चार पैर हैं, आपको इतने बड़े बड़े कान हैं गधे जैसे, अगर नहीं है तो उसको मत मानिए। When someone gets angry, do you automatically apologize? When someone disagree with you, do you immediately um, assume that you are wrong? When someone ignores your needs, do you say it's okay? वो शायद बिजी होगा या बिजी होगी, शायद उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा, एंड वो आप मान लेते हो। When आपका पार्टनर आपको टाइम नहीं देता है, आपका पार्टनर आपके एसएमएस को रिप्लाई नहीं करता है, वो ऑनलाइन है, एंड आप बोल देते हो कि शायद ऑनलाइन ऑफिस को रिप्लाईज कर रहा होगा। नो, यू आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट। When you make one mistake, do you suddenly forget everything you have achieved? Then maybe the issue isn't you, that you are not intelligent. Maybe you're not incapable. Maybe you're not too emotional. Maybe your nervous system is protecting you using an old strategy that once made sense. And here is the beautiful part: a learned pattern of your nervous system can be unlearned. You can create a new pattern, new neurons. You can learn to pause before accepting someone else's opinion about you. You can learn to separate someone said this about me from this is who I am. You can learn to regulate your body before responding. You can learn to speak without automatically apologizing. You can learn to disagree without feeling unsafe, and most importantly, you can start building relationship with yourself where you don't need somebody else's approval to know your own worth. So next time someone says तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आता, don't immediately prove them right. Don't immediately defend yourself either. Just pause, take a deep breath and ask yourself, is this actually true? Like मैंने गधे के बारे में बोला, or is my nervous system simply familiar with believing it? Look, because sometimes you don't have a confidence problem, you have a nervous system pattern that has been running your life without even realizing you. If this made you stop and think, maybe this is happening with me too, write reset in the comments and share this with someone who constantly doubt themselves, and you know that that person is very intelligent, very humble and very good, because need not uh, they may not need more criticism or more motivation. They just need to know what is happening wrong. They may need to understand what is happening inside them, inside their nervous system. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel so that I will come up with your next thing which you may need to be solved.